How to fix payment method decline on App Store. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to fix the problem like payment method decline on your App Store. So let's get started. First, you'll have to open settings on your iPhone. After you open settings, tap on your Apple account at the top. From Apple account, tap on payment and shipping. Now from this section, you'll have to just check if your card details are correct, especially the expiration date and billing address. From here, you'll have to just update that looks outdated, so simply update anything. Or you can also remove the card and add it again. Tap on edit and remove that. After you remove and add new payment method, you'll have to just re-enter your info, and after you re-add your payment method, your problem should be fixed. And if you are using Apple ID balance, make sure you have enough to cover the purchase. Also ensure that you have not any unpaid subscription. For that, go to settings and from the Apple account, tap on subscription. And from here, as usual, you can check your subscription whether you have any unpaid subscription or not. And that's it. If this helped you, please don't forget to keep a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.